Hey guys, so today we're going to be making some crispy, spicy honey garlic salmon bites. They're so delicious. All right, so let's get started. Okay guys, so you want to start by cutting the salmon into small, even-sized cubes, okay? And then we're going to start seasoning it up. So I started seasoning my salmon before I cut it, but it'll be easier if you cut it into cubes first, then season it. So to season the salmon, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika. I also added a little bit of Old Bay seasoning and cayenne pepper. Okay, just be careful with the Old Bay and the salt. Don't add too much salt. And yeah, you want to season all sides of the salmon really well. Okay guys, so next on this plate right here, I have some flour and I'm adding in a little bit of cornstarch. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I list all the ingredients and the measurements I'm using for everything there for you guys, okay? So next I'm using the same seasonings I used on the salmon here to season the flour as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add some paprika, a little bit of salt, some Old Bay seasoning, some black pepper, onion and garlic powder, and then I'm gonna use a fork to mix the seasonings into the flour and cornstarch really well. So once that is done, you're gonna take the pieces of cubed salmon and you're gonna dredge it in the flour mixture, okay? Fully coat it with that flour. Shake off the extra flour and set it aside, and do that to all of the pieces of the little salmon nuggets. Okay, so to fry up the salmon, I'm gonna place my frying pan over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add in enough oil in the pot to fry the salmon really well. Once the oil gets nice and hot, you're going to drop the pieces of salmon nuggets into the hot oil, and we're going to fry them until they get nice and golden brown and crispy. All right, so once the first side gets crispy, you're going to flip it and just make sure it's crispy and golden brown all over. It should take about, I want to say, about 6 to 8 minutes to be fully cooked. It's not gonna take long because salmon doesn't take that long to cook on a regular, and since we cut them into smaller cubes, it's gonna take even less time, okay? And you don't want to overcook the salmon, so I would say about 3 minutes on each side. And once they're crispy and a nice deep golden brown color, that's it. You guys remove it from the oil and place it on a plate lined with paper towels so the extra oil can drip. So now all that's left to do is to add the delicious spicy honey garlic sauce to coat our crispy salmon nuggets. So in this cup right here, I added some honey and I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce to it. I'm also gonna add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So when it comes to adding the cayenne pepper, the amount depends on how spicy you want the dish. I didn't want mine too spicy because my daughter had to eat it as well, so I only added about a dash, okay? So just be mindful of that. If you want it extra spicy, add a good amount. If you just want a slight kick, add a little. And we're gonna use a fork to mix that until it's well blended and mixed together. I also minced a few cloves of garlic, okay? So next I'm getting my pan and I'm placing it over medium-high heat, and I added in a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, to saute the garlic. So next I'm adding in the minced garlic, and I'm going to saute that for about 2 minutes. Let it cook just a little until it starts releasing its fragrance. Next, I'm taking the cooked salmon nuggets and I'm placing it back into the pan with the garlic, okay? Give that a good stir, and then you're going to take the honey mixture we just mixed and we're going to pour that all over the salmon. So the last thing I'm going to add into the sauce is some hot sauce. You could use your favorite brand of hot sauce. I'm using Cholula, hopefully I pronounced that right, chili garlic hot sauce. It adds a good flavor in this dish, and then you're just gonna mix it into the sauce and let it finish cooking. Make sure to fully coat the salmon with the sauce, and you're gonna let this cook on like a medium heat, medium to medium high heat. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens and it's gonna become nice and sticky, and then you can turn off the stove and you're finished making crispy, spicy honey garlic salmon nuggets or salmon bites. They're so good. It's a nice little treat, or you can make it into a meal like I did. I served mine with some creamy pasta and put it on top, and it's just comforting and delicious. Or you could eat it like you would nuggets. It's so good, you guys. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys tried this recipe. If you do, let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.